Hi there, flutes. This video is going to get you going on the song Lightly Row. Lightly Row uses the 2/4 time signature that we're learning about. It also has a lot of skips, so we have to be able to change our fingers and get those skips as we do that. We're going to use our 4 steps of count, say, finger, play to help us break it down. We're also going to use the strategy of chunking, where we put different pieces together. So we'll be working on that as we go through today. When we take a look at the counting for this, you'll notice at the beginning it says 2/4. That means there's 2 counts in a measure. Instead of when we have 4/4 time, we have 4 counts in a measure. So in the rhythm for this, that actually makes it very easy because we're only either going to have the 2 quarter notes, which we're going to count 1, 2, each note gets 1 count, or we're going to have the half note that we hold, 1, and hold it for 2 counts. So that makes the counting very easy for this song. So let's count this together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, off. That's how you're going to count through that. Like I said, hopefully that's pretty easy for you. Now, when we look at that first line and we think about our notes now, we have to think about saying the notes. You're going to notice that the notes are skipping around. So here we have an F and we skip down to the D. And again, we're just matching F, circle here, D, circle here. F, D, D, E. Then here we're going to have an E flat, C, C. Then here we're going to go B flat, C, D, E flat, F, F, F. So here these are in sequence like we're familiar with. Okay, so let's look at just that first line. Point to those notes, say those letters with me. Ready? Go. F, D, D, E flat, C, C, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, F, F. Okay, let's try that again. Say those notes. Ready? Go. F, D, D, E flat, C, C, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, F, F. Now, the next step is to get our fingers moving. So we're going to grab our flute and finger the note F and feel the movement to go from F to D. We worked on this in the tonal patterns. F, D, and then E flat, C, and then B flat, C, D, E flat, F. So you have all these different movements that you have to practice. So say those notes, move your fingers. We'll go slow. Ready? Go. F, D, D, E flat, C, C, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, F, F. And it's really important that you're feeling those movements. You don't want to be looking at your fingers, F, D. It's going to get you confused. So feel, what does F feel like? What does D feel like? What does E flat feel like? Feel those, memorize those feelings, and that's how you're going to be able to do that. Because when you're playing, you can't see your fingers over here. Okay? So your fingers are over here working, and you can't see it. You have to feel it. So try that again. Move your fingers. Say those letters. Ready? Go. F, D, D, E flat, C, C, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, F, F. And that might take some practice. Once you've practiced it though, you should be able to get those notes to play. Let's play them together. Starting up high on the F, fast air, ready? Go. Let's try it again. I might have gone too fast through that. 1, 2, slower, go. So that's the first line, and you'll want to practice that first line. Then you can go on to the second line. And that's one of the things I want you also to think about when you're practicing is, what's your goal? So maybe your practice is, I want to get this first line down, or I want to get the second line down. And when you sit down and you take out your flute, have a goal, have a reason that you're practicing. And that way you can tell if you've accomplished it. At the end of your practice time, are you better at that thing? So practice the first line, and then at the end, did you get better at it? If you're not getting better, that's when you ask for help. But have a goal for your practice time. Let's go on the second line now. Again, the counting is pretty easy. Okay, so we've done the counting on the second line, but let's count it again. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, off. Okay, so that's our counting. Now our notes here, notice the notes start out the same. F, D, D, just like the first line. E flat, C, C, just like the first line. So again, that's kind of nice. It's like, okay, we did that already. That'll be easy. This part's different though. B flat to D to F to F. So we're gonna have those skips. B flat, D, F, F, B flat, and skip all the way down to B flat here. So we have to practice saying those notes and moving our fingers here. So point to those notes starting in 82. Ready? Go. F, D, D, E flat, C, C, B flat, D, F, F, B flat. Now we're gonna move our fingers. Ready? Go. F, D, D, E flat, C, C. So far the same. B flat, D, F, F, B flat. So it's the ending that we have to look at there. So 86, 87, 88. Try those movements for just those three measures. B flat, D, F, F, B flat. So just feel that movement a few times. B flat, D, F, F, B flat. Now try that whole line again. Fingers, ready? Go. F, D, D, E flat, C, C, B flat, D, F, F, B flat. So get those fingers worked out, then try playing it. 1, 2, ready, play. Try it again. 1, 2, ready, go. So you're going to work on that second line, get that worked out, then put the whole song together. Let's try the whole song. 1, 2, ready, go. That's going to take some time, but as you use your strategies of count, say, finger, play, of breaking it up in chunks and putting them together, of having a goal for your practice time and working to accomplish that goal, as you do that, you're going to be able to play this song, even with all those skips around. So good luck, have some fun as you're practicing it. Good luck.